Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. This is going to be a solar mushroom, and it's quick and easy. You can get your solar lights from Dollar Tree. This one actually came from Walmart last year, but they do have solar lights at the Dollar Tree, and you can use them. They work just as good. Okay, I would suggest, pulling the little tab out before you leave the store, because I bought these last year, and I just pulled them out. This one and that little light bulb is crooked, and it won't come on. So, pull your tabs before you leave the store. But this is going to be so quick and easy. This one does work. So we're going to use it. I'm using chalk paint from Walmart. And I need to go get some more because I'm about out. There we go. Let's just do this. Get a piece of paper here. Use a little bit of it and these little sponges you can get at the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to make little polka dots going all the way around. And this is so much easier than trying to paint in a circle, and because I can't get it all in uniform when I'm doing a circle. So just taking it and kind of twisting it. And it does a perfect, y'all. I forgot to bring y'all down. So sorry about that. I try to remember to do that, and sometimes I just forget. Okay, I got a paintbrush here. And it's a stiff one. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue here. And once the battery goes out on the solar light, you can always just change the battery. And keep right on going. This stuff, if you don't have your paper towel handy right there where you can just wipe it and put it right on there, that little cap, it just oozes on up. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, it's pretty tall. I'm going to put this up in here. right here in the center. I'll go ahead and put this on here. The reason why, I'm going to go stick it in a vase. And let it dry. So I put it on there, and I'm going to go stick it in a vase, let it dry, and then I'm going to spray it with this sealer, and then we're going to go outside and put it in the ground and see what it looks like at night. Well, this is going to be our mushroom. So I'm going to let it dry, spray it with some sealer. It's Mod Podge matte sealer. I'm just going to spray the little mushroom top, and we'll be back.